Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connect with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. In it, Settings, Family and Parental Controls. As you can see, now I have PG3 to visible game or application. As Mobile Legends Gate, we need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it. Now enter your connect pin to your parental control, and there we can change it from PG3 to maybe PG16, confirmed by others and save. We can also turn off your parental control by switch off, and that's all. You can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, and now we can do it and we can install it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.